To send money using Wells Fargo mobile banking, start by downloading and installing the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, you will need to enroll in online banking before you can use the mobile app. After logging in, tap on the Send Money option from the main menu. This will take you to the Send Money screen where you can choose the type of transfer you want to make, such as send money with Zelle or transfer to a Wells Fargo account. To send money to someone using Zelle, select the Send Money with Zelle option and then enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed. Review the transfer details and then tap Send. To transfer money to a Wells Fargo account, select the Transfer to a Wells Fargo account option and then enter the recipient's account number and amount. You can also add a memo to the transfer. Review the transfer details and then tap Send. Before sending the money, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account and that the recipient's information is correct. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. It is also a good idea to keep a record of the transfer for your records. It is essential to use the Wells Fargo mobile banking service securely by using a strong password and keeping your device and app up to date. Also, be cautious when sending money to avoid scams and only send money to people you know and trust. By following these steps, you can easily send money using Wells Fargo mobile banking. The service is fast, secure, and convenient, allowing you to send money anywhere, anytime.